Hi, I'm so excited about the feedback and the questions you guys have sent post our sessions on meditation and self-management. Today I'm going to talk about affirmations because that was one of the most common questions that everybody has asked. We all set goals and try to do our best to achieve it. And to strengthen our belief system, we have tried affirmations or at least have heard about affirmations and visualization. So have you ever tried it? Do you think it works? Let me tell you, it does. Visualization and affirmations do work in achieving goal, in creating new habits, in shifting mindset. So today I'm going to give you a few tips on how to affirm. These are the general tips. For a better personalized experience, please do contact with me. My contact details are in the description of this video. So the first tip, try to make small sentences, small phrases. Detailed paragraphs will not much help. In visualization, deeper details are important, but for affirmations, I will suggest small sentences in present tense. Make specific statements. That's point number 2. Make specific statements and not generalize one. For example, don't say I would love to settle in abroad. Rather say I'm enjoying my stay in Dubai. Third point, your statement should be in positive and not in negative. Our mind does not process the no word. For example, if I tell you, don't think about your mom, first thing our mind will do is remove the don't word. And I'm sure you have already visualized your mom. So don't say negative terms like don't say I will not fail. Rather say I'm enjoying my success. Fourth tip, your statement should be in present continuous tense. Yes, not just present tense, it should be in present continuous tense. For example, suppose you want to improve your spoken English. So if you say I'm good in English, I'm good at English, I'm good in English, that won't really help because your mind will not accept it. Because somewhere your mind knows that I'm not very good at it and I want to work on it. So rather than saying a statement like I'm good in English, try saying I'm improving or like my spoken English is improving. That will help much better. Practice affirmations daily and beforehand. Just before 5 minutes of exam, with your anxious state of mind, you cannot really practice a new affirmation and that won't really help you. So real transformation may take 21 days at least, and profound transformation can take time of say 3 months. So you have to be really practicing beforehand. If you try to suppress in your anxious state of mind or your nervousness at that very moment, just 5 minutes before your exam or say a job interview, it won't work that way. Suppressing your emotions, your natural emotions, may multiply it further. You may become more anxious, you may become more nervous. So a small tip there could be you can try deep breaths, take 3 deep breaths and start observing things around. This will help you shift your mind from future anxiousness to the present. So that might help. Sixth tip, just speaking will not help. You have to visualize also, because not just speaking, your feelings is important, and to feel, visualization helps in that. So just try to understand this. Our mind receives so many information for the entire day. If it has to process all of it, trust me, it's gonna play a trick with you. It won't gonna process all that. So what does our mind do is it filters the information which is in resonance with our feelings and save that much only. So when you are practicing affirmation, try to visualize the scene where you have already achieved the success and how you feel. Try gratitude and a feeling of thankfulness. Try smiling. It works. And if not, then we need to check. Maybe we are practicing the technique in not so correct way. Don't worry, we'll check and change. Wishing you all the best for your goals. This is Pearl signing off. Bye.